Meet Morpho UV Printer, the new standard for desktop UV printing. With a moving gantry architecture, more room to print, more height to work with, and 4 times the enclosed printing volume for bigger ideas. Soon, it'll land in the hands of creators like Mia and Cooper.
I always feel like our house is a bit dull. Let's make something fun to fill up the space.
You know, I've got this crazy board game idea, and honestly, I want to give it a go.
Let's get to work then.
All right.
This is Mia, an illustrator who sells her art on Etsy and at local art fairs. With an obsessive eye for color.
Which color is better?
That's her partner, Cooper. Ever since he was a kid, he's been obsessed with tabletop games and with building things by hand.
I want to make my own tabletop games. Using the Morpho Studio software, I can click on the mountains and make them taller. Then I can select the river and slap some water texture on them. The world's literally in my hands.
Faster carriage movement and 3 times nozzles allow Morpho to print up to 9 times faster. Powered by 2400 DPI precision and color core engine, Morpho delivers sharper detail, smoother gradients, and color that stays true to your design.
Hey, look at that. It's already done printing. It only took like a second. I also wanted to print some game money, lots of it. It's incredibly easy that I can just drag and drop things into place. And then batch fill, done.
The Stereo Vision Smart Alignment detects objects' contours and height within seconds, making alignment faster, smarter, and more precise.
All perfectly centered. And no ink on the print bed at all. I also wanted to print some cards. Thin papers are usually kind of a pain with UV printing. See, it slides. But I can switch this on and the electrostatic mat holds them down pretty well. Look at the shape of these characters. With Morpho, I can print the laser alignment markers at the same time. There we go.
Take shelter in my shadow.
Get thee behind me and rest thy soul in my defense.
As an illustrator, when I outsourced printing, the same design rarely came back exactly the same. With Morpho, the colors stay accurate all the time. The soft proofing feature makes sure what you see is what you print. The built-in texture library brings endless possibilities.
Wow. It looks like a contemporary art gallery.
I know, so proud of myself.
No clog system keeps Morpho ready for what's next. White ink circulation and stirring keep pigments moving to reduce sediment buildup. Heated print head and ink dampers keep temperature stable for low viscosity and smoother ink flow. Before every job, an auto-rolling wiper cloth cleans the print head with a fresh surface, helping reduce clogs, downtime, and daily upkeep.
We have printed a 5,000-piece puzzle across 16 sections and put them together as a whole. The end result is 50 by 35 inches in size. You look cute though.
Naturally. I like this right here. It's huge.
A custom wine bottle for our dining room. It prints so well on tiny little things, like these cufflinks. This is for Cooper.
Watch me tame these little fellas.
You're here. What about this little fella?
With Relief Scan, Morpho's micro camera captures color and depth in 2.5D, allowing you to replicate not only the color, but the texture.
Hey.
He likes it.
Yeah. Handsome fella. What do you think? Cute, huh?
They're lovely.
Oh, check this out. How'd you know this is my favorite quote?
Morpho turns blank surfaces into custom gifts, sellable products, and finished creations. Helping creators make more, waste less, and bring ideas to life.
You should crowdfund this on Kickstarter.
It's not a bad idea.
Morpho UV Printer, industrial-grade printing system, reimagined